Good morning. Today we're going to do some fractions times a fraction. And we're just going to kind of work through what this would look like. So we're going to start right here in this first box, and we have 3/4 times 1/2. And so we have our identity property because we have 3 times 1, which is 3. And we have 4 times 2, which is 8. And then we have to think, does 3 and 8 share factors? And they do not. So 3/8 would be our answer. All right, let's look at the next one. We have 7/8 times 4/5. So we have 7 times 4, which is 32. Nope, that's a lie. That's 28. Sorry about that. And 8 times 5, which is 40. So 28 and 40 are going to share a factor in common, and it is going to be at least a 2. So I'm going to come over here to the side, and I'm going to say, what are my factors of 28? And I have 1 times 28, and I have 2 times 14. 3, I don't think 3 is going to work. So 3 is not going to be 1. So we know 4 is 1. So 4 times 7. 5 will not be 1. 6 will not be 1. 7 is 1. So those are the factors of 28, and we're going to stop right there. So 40 will share 4 in common. So I'm going to say 28 divided by 4, and I'm going to say 40 divided by 4. And let's see if we can get this a little bit smaller in our reduction. So 28 divided by 4 will be 7, and 40 divided by 4 will be 10. And since they no longer have anything else in common, our answer will be 7/10. All right, let's try number 8. Number 8 says 1/2 times 1/3. And so I'm going to say 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. And that is as small as you can get it, because anytime you have a 1 as your numerator, that is going to be one of your baseline fractions. And so we're going to stop that one right there at 1/6. Let's try the next one. Let's try 4/5 times 7/9. Now we know 4 times 7 is 28, and 5 times 9 is 45. All right, so we have our multiples of 28 already. And when you look at your multiples of 28, it does not share anything in common with 45. So we're going to go ahead and just leave that one just like that. And that's how that would be done.